Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have NESCAFÉ Gold, but not just any NESCAFÉ Gold. This is special. This is Puro Colombia from South America. Let's go. Gracias, mi amigo. Okay, let's see what this NESCAFÉ Gold Puro Colombia is all about. Nice packaging at least. It's gold, just as Nescafe should be, and with a hint of red. And I noticed that the intensivity is 5. I usually drink this regular Nescafe Gold and this one is only 3. So I think this will be stronger coffee. By the way, pro tip for free, you can use these Nescafe things to collect coins, for example. They're very good jars. Hard glass, never breaks. But yeah, that's the benefit of buying Nescafe. You get 2 products at one. Coin purse and also the coffee. So we have the seal. It's vacuum sealed. And it opens easily. That's good. Let's take the initial smell. That's fresh. I read somewhere that they actually put like fresh coffee smell here. Just so people when they open it, they can smell the fresh coffee. But the smell it's not coming from teas. They plant the smell separately with some chemicals. I don't know, that might be just legend. But somebody who said he worked at the Nestlé Nescafe factory said that's what they do. Yeah, I have 2 cups here because I'm gonna make one with milk and one without milk. So let's see, this is always the hardest part, measuring how much you should put. But after buying instant coffee for so long, I think I have mastered it. The perfect amount. That's good amount. Okay. Then we get the water. Very important that you don't put the boiling water straight away. You have to let it cool down for a while. This one is cooled down already, so this is good. That's gonna be our black coffee. And this is gonna be with the milk. I like coffee with milk. It's much better than normal coffee. Yup, you can see it from the color that we put the correct amount of powder because the color, it's perfect. Yeah, let's go ahead and taste them up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if NESCAFÉ Gold Puro Colombia tastes any good. So let's start with the milk one, of course, because it's cooled down. This one, still a little bit hot. Okay, let's go. It's definitely more rich in texture than the classic Nescafe Gold. It's like more fruity taste, just like it says in the packaging. Fruity and delicate. But the intensivity wise, I don't feel like this is so much stronger. Maybe like 1 level stronger of coffee. But it's not the same as the really black coffee. This is still very much like smooth coffee experience. Yeah, it's different from the Nescafe Gold original, definitely. Rich texture, more fruit flavor. It's great. But how does it taste without any milk? Ooh, horrible. I don't know why people drink coffee without any milk. Like, maybe I'm just baby mouth. Baby mouths don't know how to drink coffee without milk. Baby needs the milk. I'm a baby mouth. I mean, if you're in desperate need of caffeine, maybe this is drinkable. I remember when I was in Korea, I drank this Americano. And that was pretty great, because they used the espresso beans and then they add the hot water. So those black coffees were drinkable, Americanos. But instant coffee, black coffee, I don't know, man. Much prefer the milk. And not just any milk. It has to be milk with fat. Fat-free milk, no good. Nescafe Gold. Smooth coffee experience. Just as expected. Yeah, great product. What can I say? I don't know which one I prefer more. The original or this Puro Colombia. I think they're both on the same level. But yeah, once again we proved that when it comes to the instant coffees, Nestle Nescafe is the best. I don't know what they do different, but just from looking at these flakes, the coffee flakes inside, it's different from the other brands. Like bigger, and the shape, maybe it's the shape. The smell is still good. Look, can you smell it? That was a great coffee experience. Nescafe Gold Puro Colombia. I think this deserves 9.5 out of 10. Nestle makes the best instant coffees, there's no denying it. Still smells fresh, look. Yeah, thanks for watching. And leave a comment below what I should review next. And if you have tasted this or not. And as always, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next Consumer Goods review. Thanks for watching. And also, thank you for the ad revenue, YouTube. This is my YouTube ad revenue. As you can see, I'm getting rich. So keep watching, and I keep getting richer. Thank you. You see, already 5 cents ad revenue just from this video. The money comes. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you.